Since the sun is our closest star and most important star because it affects our lives, there's a number of probes that are measuring at the moment. The oldest one is SOHO. It launched on December 3rd, 1995. It has many instruments aboard, including the Extreme Ultraviolet Telescope, which has filters for 171 angstroms, 195 angstroms, 289 and 284, 304 angstroms. Angstroms with 10 to the minus 10 meters. And these are very short wavelengths. And it also has the LASCO, which is a large angle spectrograph. Coronagraph. A coronagraph is they put something to block the light so you can measure, so it blocks out most of the light. In this case, they want to measure the corona, which is the outer atmosphere, so they can study that. Other things that have been studied is helioseismology, which is the sun is not really solid. It vibrates with different nodes or different vibrations, and with those you can determine what's underneath the surface. One of the things that they found over time was a layer called the tachocline, which acts like a solid surface. It's only about 6,000 kilometers under the surface of the sun. There's also been about 4,000 or more sun-grazing cosmic comets that have been discovered, and most of those have crashed into the surface or into the sun. There's no surface, and they're just basically vaporized. And it's actually still operating, even though it's about 29 years old. It's at the L1 Lagrange point, which is there's 5 points of kind of like stable gravity areas around the Earth and the Sun. The L1 is in closer to the Sun. There's the L2, which is about a million miles away in the other direction. Then there's L3 on the other side, and there's L4 and 5, which are about 60 degrees on either side in orbit. But you can go to its web page. NASA still its web page is active, and you check out images on it daily. Thank you for listening.